we actually build our pools to the terrain that is currently out here. We don't come in and give you a flat pool and just a big wall. You'll see a tiered system following the slope. Everybody loves to enjoy a spa. We have a natural entry into it. So we come right on top of our flag and our natural pool deck elements here. We follow our tans and we can enter into our spa, enjoy ourselves and host. Then we have a spillover taking us to a shelf area. This is a great addition to any swimming pool where someone can hang out, the kids can play. Having a kitchen area is always so important because anyone who's dealt with the hassle of going back and forth from inside to outside, you miss a lot of the party. We want to throw all the elements together to create that serenity, calming feeling that you want out of your pool. We'd love the opportunity to come into your backyard and build you the swimming pool of your dreams.